Hello student, today we will continue exercise 6.4 chapter 6 square and square root. Sum number 3, find the square root of the following decimal numbers. 2.56. Before decimal we will pair from here, and after decimal we will make pair with the decimal. Right here 1 1 1 square is 1, subtract 2 minus 1 1, pair 56, double of 1 2, we will put here 6, multiplied by 6, point, right here 6, 6 6 is 36, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15, subtract, remainder 0, hence square root of this number is 1.6. Answer. Next, part second, 7.29. Before decimal make pair from here, after decimal we will start with the decimal. Now write here 2, 2 2s are 4, subtract 3, pair 29, double of 2 4, 7, 7 square 49, 3 square 9, we will put here 7, multiplied by 7, and the same number after decimal we will write here 7. After multiplication 329, remainder is 0, so square root of this number is 2.7. Next is part third, 51.84, pair after decimal from 8, 7 7 ja 49, minus 2, after decimal pair 84, double of 7 14, and we know that 2 square 4 and 8 square 64. If I am putting here 8 multiplied by 8, the number is greater than 284, that's why I will put here 2. Point 2, 2 2s are 4, 28, subtract, remainder 0, hence square root of this number is 7.2. Next, part fourth, 42.25, before decimal make pair here, after decimal 6 6 are 36, subtract 6, pair 25, double of 6 12, multiplied by 5, 5, after multiplication we have 625, subtract, remainder 0, so square root of this number is 6.5. Next, part fifth, 31.36, pair after decimal from here 5 5 जा 25, हमने ऐसे नंबर का स्क्वायर लगाना होता है जो या तो 31 से कम हो या फिर 31 के इक्वल, दैट्स वाई 5 5 जा 25, subtract 6, pair 36, double of 5 10, 5 2 जा 10, 6 we will put here, multiplied by 6, same number, and the same number we will write in the quotient. 6 6 is 36, 6 1 is 6, subtract, remainder 0, hence square root of this number is 5.6. Now the next sum number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. 402, make pair 2 2s are 4, pair 02, double of 2 4, here I am writing 0 multiplied by 0, 0 as a quotient, remainder is 2, subtract 2 from the given number. 402 minus 2, 400. That's why square root of this number is 20. Answer. Part second. 1989. Pair 4 4 ja 16. 3. Pair 89. Double of 4 8. And we know that 7 square is 49. But 7 8 is 56. When we put here 7, multiply it by 7, the number is greater than 389. That's why I will not put here as 7. Now see what we can put here. Now I am putting here 4. Multiplied by 4. 4 here. 4 4 is 16. 1. 4 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 33. 3 5. 53 is remainder. That's why we subtract 53 from 1989. We have 1936. Hence the square root of this number is 44. Now the next is part third. 3250. Pair 25. Pair 50. Double of 5 10. 7 multiplied by 7. 7 here. 7 7 ja 49. 7 1 ja 7. Remainder is 1. That's why we subtract 1 from 3250. We have 3049. Hence square root of this number is 57. Answer. Sum number 4 part 4th. 825. Pair 2 2 is 4. Subtract 4. Pair 25 right here. Double of 2. 4. Write 8. Multiplied by 8. Write 8 as quotient. After multiplication we have 384. Subtract. Remainder is 41. So we will subtract 41 from 825. We have 784. Hence square root of this number is 28. Next, part 5th. 4000. Pair 6 6 is 36. Subtract 4. Pair 0 0. Double of 6 12. 3 3. Multiplied by 3 we have 369. Remainder is 31. So 31 should be subtracted from 4000. We have 3969. Hence the square root of this number is 63. Sum number 5. Find the least number must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of perfect square so obtained. 525. Here we have to add. Now, pair 2 2 is 4. Subtract 1. Pair 25. 2 2 is 4. Double of 2 is 4. If we will put here 2 multiplied by 2, then after multiplication 42 by 2, we know that 84 is less than 125. See, remainder is 41. We have to add. So we will write here 22 square is less than 525. 525 is less than 23 square. Let me do it again. 2 2 is 4. 1, pair 25, double of 2, 4. Here we will write 3, multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Subtract 9 minus 5 makes 4. That's why we have to add 4 to 525. We have 529. Hence the square root of this number is 23. Part second. 1750. 4 4 is 16. 7 minus 6 1. Pair 50. Double of 4 8 1. Multiplied by 1. Now subtract. 69 is the remainder. So 41 square is less than 1750 and 1750 is less than 42 square. Again we will try. 4 4 is 16. 150. Double of 4 8. 2 multiplied by 2. Write 2 here. Now subtract 4. 6 minus 5 1. So 14 should be added. After adding we have 1764 and the square root of this number is 42. Next, part third. 252. Pair 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. Pair 52. Double of 1 is 2. 5 5 5. 5 square 25. 5 to the 10 or 2 12. Subtract 27. 27 should be subtracted to make it perfect square, but here we have to add. So 15 square is less than 252. 252 is less than 16 square. Again we will do 1 square. Double of 1 is 2. 6 6 6. Subtract, we have 4. So we have to add 4 to 252. It be 256. Hence the square root of 256 is 16. Next is part fourth. 1825. Pair 4 4 is 16. 2. Pair 25. Double of 4 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 8 is 16. 61 should be subtracted. So 42 square is less than 1825. 1825 is less than 43 square because we have to add. Again, pair double of 4 8 3 3 3 3 is 9. 3 8 is 24. Subtract. 24 should be added. It makes 1849 and the square root of this number is 43. Next and last part. 6412. 8 8 is 64. 12. Double of 8 16. 0. Remainder is 12. 80 square is less than 6412 and this number is less than 81 square. 8 8 is 64. We will do it again. 12 as pair. 16. 1 1 1. Now subtract. 149. 149 should be added. 6561. Hence the square root of this number is 81. Thank you. Keep smiling.